Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to solve the past paper of IGCSE. Subject is Mathematics paper 2, which is also called extended, and paper code is 0580 and paper variant is 22, which one is held in May June 2024. The total time of this paper is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Question number 1. The temperature at mid is minus 4 Celsius and temperature at noon is 25 Celsius. Work out the difference. Difference means subtract between these two temperature. Like that, 25 minus this temperature at midnight minus 4. So the final answer is 29. So 29 Celsius is our final answer. Question number 2. A gardener charges $6.55 for each hour work plus a fixed charge for 15.50. Calculate the total amount he charge when he work for 4 hours. So he work 1 hour and then charges $6.55. So 6.55 multiply with 4 hours, that is equal to 26.2, and this one is fixed plus extra work charges. So add this one 15.50. Sum of these values we get 41.7. So final answer is $41.7. Question number 3. A delivery driver records the number of pizzas she delivers each month for 1 year. These are the numbers. Complete the stem and leaf diagram. Keyword is 28 represent 48 pizza. So first of all the number we represent in ascending order. 2. Define the right number with 2. So mark out 2 is 28, 22, only this number. So first is 22, 2 is already written, we just write 2, and second is 8. Like that, 3, first number is 36, so we write 6. Second is 39, this one we write only 9. 4, 41, write only 1. 44, write only 4. 48, write only 8. 49, write only 9. 52, write only 2. 54, 4. 57 and 7 and 7. This is a stem leaf diagram. Find the median. To find the median, we arrange all the number. Median is equal to, first of all write this number is 22, second is 28, 36, 39, 41, 42, 48, 49, 52, 54, 57 and 57. So make pair 2 from left and 2 from right. This one and this one are cancelled with each other. This one and this one. So the remaining is this one. So mark 1 and 1. The remaining is this one. These number are remaining. Add these number. 44 plus 48 divided with 2. Why we divide with 2? Because upper number are only 2. So that's why we divide with 2. So calculate these values. We get 46. So the medium of this is 46. Question number 4. Jonah had $750. He spent 1/4 of his money on travel. One part. And second is sum of his money on food. Now he now has $437.50. Work out the fraction of the $750 he spent on food. First of all, the total is 750 and spent minus 437.50. Remaining is 312.5. Okay, he spent on travel this amount. So we find the fraction of this number. So fraction is 1/4. Total amount is 750. Of means multiply 750. Calculate these values. We get 187.5. So this value minus with this values. Now we find the money which spent on food. Okay, so 312.5 minus 187.5. Calculate these values. We get 125. So the final answer is 125. Question number 5. The table show a part of tram time table. New Point and West Hill. New Point is the time is 10 hour and 30 minute, 11 hour and 17 minute. The duration is 14 minute. Duration is 14 minutes. Okay. The 30 minute from this one, it will equal to 11 like this. If we add 30 minute in this 30 minute and above 17 minute, the total minute is 47 minute. So also calculate this point. This is 30 and the same, so it will also take 47 minutes. All the train make the same number of minutes to complete the journey. If if both trains may be taken same times, so it will also take 40 minutes this train. So add 47, we get 30:05. So the final answer is 30:05, means 30 hours 5 minutes. Question number 6. Write 0.0462 correct to two significant figure. Two significant figure means that after point 2 number is this number, okay, and third number is 6. Now we check that after this number is 2. If this number is greater than 5, so we add 1 in this number. If this number is less than 5, we not add any number in left sided number. So 2 is smaller than 5. So our correct answer is 0.046 is same. If here is 7, so 0.47, because 1 is added from the left sided number. So the final answer is 0.046. Question number 7. This is a diagram. On the Venn diagram, shaded the region A union B. A union B means that all the number are added. This shaded these areas only. This one. Question number 8. Kai invest $5,000 in a account paying simple interest at a rate of R% per years. At the end of 8 years, the values of this investment is $5,700. Find the value of R. We use formula V is values of investment. V is equal to P is principal, 1 plus R% overall power T. This one is P, this one is R%, this one is T, and this one is V. Put these values in formula. 5700 is equal to P is 5000 into 1 plus R percentage T is 8. Divide with 5000. Is equal to 1 plus R% overall power 8. So divide these values and calculate. We get 1.14, that is equal to 1 plus R% overall power 8. Taking cube root on both sides, taking 8 root, 1.148 is equal to not 8, only 1.14. Eight root 1 plus R% whole power is 8. 8 cancel, this 8 cancel with 8 root, calculate these values. 8 root of 1.14, this is equal to 1.0175 is equal to 1 plus r percentage. So this one shift on this side, 1.0175 minus 1 is equal to r percentage. So r percentage is equal to 0.0175. We find r, so multiply with 100. 0.0175 multiply with 100, so this one is equal to 1.75. This is our final answer. Question number 9. Describe the fully single transformation that maps triangle A into B. First of all, we draw line. Okay, and now also draw from this side, and now also draw from this side. All lines are making at this point. All lines are meeting at this point. So this is a 1 and minus 1. The center of these two triangle is 1 and minus 1. And now here is one box and here is two box. 1, 2, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Means the scale factor difference is 2. So second one is scale factor is 2. If the scale factor is double, it means the images is enlargement. So this third one is enlargement. This is a enlargement. Okay, and now on the grid draw the image triangle A after a translation by the vector -4 and 3. -4 means that left side on x-axis, and +3 means that upside on y-axis. So move four box in the direction of x at left side. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 3 is up. 1, 2 and 3. And now draw the image of triangle A. Now draw the image of this triangle. Like this. This is the image of triangle that we say that A dash. This is our final answer. Question number 10. Write 174000 in standard form. So point is here at the end. So move this point is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1.7 1.74 raised to the power plus 5. So the final answer is 1.74 multiply 10 raised to the power plus 5. Question number 11. A company survey 40 of its employees. In the survey, 3 employees say they walk to work, means that 3 employees out of 40 walk to work. The company has a total of 1240 employee. Find the expected number. Let we say that the expected number is X of employee in the company who walk to work is equal to expected number divided with total employee. The total employee is 1240. So 1240 shift on other side, it will multiply with 3. Multiply 1240 divide with 4 is equal to X. Calculate these values, we get 93. So X is equal to 93. The final answer is 93. Question number 12. The diagram show a right angle triangle. Calculate the values of X. We know that this is a perpendicular angle. The front side of perpendicular angle called hypotenuse. So this one is hypotenuse and this one is base. We have to find this one is X. We use formula cos theta is equal to base over hypotenuse. Cos theta is X is equal to base is 8.5 and hypotenuse is 14. Shift cos on this side, it will be inverse. So X is equal to cos inverse into 8.5 divided with 14. X is equal to, calculate these values, we get 52.61. So final answer is 52.61. Question number 13. Without using calculator, work out 2 half 1 by 4 divide 1 half 7 over 8. You must show all your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So 8 multiply with 4 multiply with 2 is 8 plus 1 divided with 4 divide 8 1 is 8 plus 7 divided with 8. So 9 over 4 divide plus these values, we get 15 over 8. So 9 over 4 division convert with multiplication, the front value will be reciprocal. So 8 over 15. Cancel out this number. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9 and 3 5 are 15. The remaining values is 3 over 1 multiplied 2 over 5. 3 multiply with 2, that is equal to 6, and 1 multiply with 5 is equal to 5. So divide these values, 6 with 5, 5 1 is 5. So remaining is 1. So use mixed form. We write here 1 into 1 over 5 like this. First write this one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. So use formula is A, B and C. Okay, this is our final answer. Question number 14. A is the point, this one, and B is a point 8, 6. Find the equation of line A, B. Give your answer in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So first of all, we find m. The formula of m is equal to x2 minus y2 minus y1 divided with x2 minus x1 is equal to y2. This number is y2. 6 minus y1 is 2, and x2 is 8, and x1 is 0. Calculate these values. We get 1 by 2. So m is equal to 1 by 2. Find the equation of line. The equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is, this value is y1 minus 2 is equal to m. M is 1 by 2, this one. X is same, minus x1 is 0. So y is the minus 2 shift on this side, 1 over 2 multiply with x, 1 over 2x. So this minus shift on other side, it will be positive, is plus 2. So y is equal to 1 by 2x plus 2. This is our final answer. Question number 14. 3 towns A, B and C are equidistant from each other. The bearing angle of C at A is 104. Calculate the bearing of B from C. So first of all, these 3 towns are equidistant, means that this angle is equal to 60 degree. This angle is also equal to 60 degree, and this angle is also equal to 60 degree. The bearing of C from A is 104, so this angle is equal to 104. We find the bearing of B from C. First of all, this is also north area, and draw this one. Okay, extend this line. So this angle and this angle are equal to each other, so this is equal to 104. This one is a straight line, so this angle this angle is equal to 76, like that. 180 minus 104, that is equal to 76. Okay, and now say that this is a x. So calculate this angle x. X is equal to 180 minus 60, this angle, minus this angle. So x equal to, calculate these values, we get x equal to 44. So here is 44. And now our final question is, find the bearing from B to C. Like this. This is a bearing. Complete this angle from this to this. Okay. So this is this angle. This angle equal to 40. So 180 add this angle. Like this. 180 plus 44, that is equal to 224. So the final answer is 224, 224. Question number 16. The speed time graph shows the information about a car journey. Find the deceleration of the car between 240 and 320 seconds. This one. We find this deceleration like this. So we now that about the formula of deceleration. A is equal to Vf minus Vi divided by T. Vf is final velocity minus Vi is initial velocity. So the initial velocity is this one. Vi is equal to 0. And this one is final velocity. Vf is equal to 16. And calculate this time. The difference of 320 minus 240, that is equal to 80. So put these values in this formula. Vf is 16, Vi is 0, divided with T, T is 80. Calculate these values, we get 0.2. So the final answer is 0.2 meter per second square. Calculate the total. Part B. Calculate the total distance the car traveled during the 320 second. We know that this is a trapezium shape. So we use calculate the area of trapezium. So total distance is 1 by 2 upper side plus lower side multiply with height. Okay. 1 by 2 upper side, this one is upper side, that we say that this is a. So this point to this point, like that, 240 minus 30, that is equal to 290. So A is equal to 290. 290 plus B is the final distance. Final distance is 320. Multiply with height. Height is this one, 16. Calculate these values. We get 4240. So the final answer is 4240 meter. Question number 17. W is a set of students who walk to school, and G is a set of students who wear glasses. There are 20 students in a class. 8 students walk to school and 3 wearing glasses and walk to school. Okay. 3 are common, that they wearing glasses and also walk to school. So right here 3 is already taken from this number, remaining is 5. So 2 do not wear the glasses and do not walk to the school. So this is this number. So 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2 is 10. The remaining is 10. So 10 wearing the glasses, only glasses, so 10 right here. This is our complete Venn diagram. Question number 18. The graph y is equal to f of x is draw on the grid. Draw the tangent of the graph at the point 3. Here is the point 3. So draw tangent this point. Okay. Like this. And now also like this. Okay, this is a tangent line. Part A. Part B. Use your tangent to find the estimate for the gradient of the curve at the point 3. So the remaining point is gradient is like this point 2 and 0, and here we take any point. Let we say that we take this point. Okay, so this one is 5 and this one is 6. 5.6, oh sorry, 3.6, 3.6, and second from this side is 8. To find the gradient, the formula of gradient is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided with x2 minus x1. So y2 is 8 minus y1 is 0 and x2 is 3.6 minus x1 is 2. Calculate these values, we get 5. So the final answer is 5. Question number 19. Part A. Y is directly proportional to the x minus 1 whole square. So y is directly proportional x minus 1 whole square. So y is equal to k into x minus 1 whole square. So when x equal to 4 and y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 k and x equal to 4. 4 minus 1 square. So 3 is k into 3 minus 1 4 minus 1 3 square. So 3 is equal to k. 3 square is 9. Divide with 9. 3 over 9 equal to k, and k is equal to 3. 1 is 3 and 3 3s are 9. 1 over 3. The values of constant is 3. And now find y when x equal to 7. So we use this equation. Y is equal to k into x minus 1 square. Y is equal to k. K is 1 by 3 and x is 7. Now x is 7 minus 1 square is equal to 1 by 3. 7 minus 1 6 square. 1 by 3 6 square is 36. So 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3 and 3 2s are 12. So y is equal to 12. Final answer is 12. Part B. M is inversely proportional to the square root of P. M is inversely proportional to the square root of P, like this. Okay. And now M is equal to K over square root P, like that. So next is explain what happened to the value of M when the value of P is multiplied with 9, like that. We take M dash is equal to K over values of P is a multiple of 9, like that, square root 9P. So M dash is equal to K over square root 9, that is equal to 3, and square root P is constant. This equation we can write M dash is equal to 1 by 2 multiply K over square root P. So this is equal to M, like this. Here is 3. So M dash is equal to 1 by 3. M multiply these values, we get M dash is equal to M by 3. So this show that M, the values of M is divided by 3. Okay, like that, the value of M is divided by 3. This is our final answer. Question number 20. Two parcels are mathematically similar. The large parcel has volume is 80 centimeter cube and height is 5.2 centimeter. The smaller parcel has volume is 33.75 centimeter cube. Calculate the height of the smaller parcel. So we use formula. Height of smaller parcel divided with height of large parcel cube is equal to volume of small parcel divided with volume of large parcel. So we find height of small parcel, that is denoted by HS, same. And now height of large, this one is HL, 5.2 whole cube root, and VS is small parcel, volume of small parcel is 33.75 divided with volume of large, the volume of large parcel is 80. HS divided with 5.2 whole power is cube. Calculate these values. We get first of all taking cube root on both sides. Okay, taking cube root on both sides. 33.75 divided with 80. So this cube cancel with cube root, remaining is hs divided with 5.2 is equal to, calculate these values with taking cube root. This is equal to 0.75. 5.2 multiply with 0.75, hs is equal to 5.2 multiply 0.75. so hs, calculate these values, we get 3.9. so final answer is 3.9 centimeter. Question number 21. Solve the simultaneously equation. You must show all your working. 4y plus 3x is equal to 13 and y is equal to x square minus 18. Put the values of x, y in this equation. So 4y is equal to x square minus 18 plus 3x is equal to 13. Multiply with 4 x square minus 4 multiply with 18, that is equal to 72 plus 3x, and this 13 shift on this side, it will be negative, is equal to 0. So arrange this one, 4x square plus 3x minus 72 minus 13, that is equal to minus 85 is equal to 0. Use quadratic formula. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to minus 85. So x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided with 2a. So x is equal to minus b is 3 plus minus square root b is 3 minus 4, values of a is 4 and c is minus 85 over 2a is 4. So x is equal to minus 3 plus minus, calculate these values, we get 37 divided with 4 2s are 8. So x is equal to minus 3 plus 37 divided with 8. Separate the negative and positive number. X is equal to minus 3 and minus 37 divided with 8. So x is equal to, calculate these values, we get 17 by 4 and calculate these values, we get minus 5. So put x is equal to 17 by 4 in this equation, like that. Y is equal to x square, put this one is x, 17 over 4 square minus 18. Calculate these values, we get 1 over 16. And now put x is equal to minus 5 in this equation, minus 5 square minus 18. Calculate these values, we get 7. So the final answer is 17 over 4 minus 5 and y is 1 over 16 and y is 7. Question number 22, part A. For each sketch up, put a ring around the correct type of function shown. So first function is like this. So this diagram show always cubic form. So circle ring this one. And 2 is, this one is reciprocal. So this one is reciprocal diagram. Part B. On the grid, sketch the curve y is equal to sine x for 0 to 360. So here is 90 and here is 270. So graph go upside at point A and go down from point 90 to 0. Now again downward at point A and go upward at point 360. Sorry, 270 to 360, like that. Part 2. Solve the equation sine x plus 0.4 is equal to 0. So solve this one. Sine x minus 4 shift on this side, it will be negative minus 0.4. For reference angle, ignore the minus sign. So sine x is equal to 0.4. Shift sign on other side, it will be inverse. So sine inverse 0.4. Calculate these values, we get x is equal to 23.57. So we know that sine is positive in second quadrant. Here is 180 and this one is third quadrant and this one is fourth quadrant. Here is 360. So add this number from this angle. So x1 is equal to 180 plus this angle, that is equal to 23.57. So x1 is equal to 203.6. and now third quadrant, and now use fourth quadrant. So x2 is equal to 360. Now minus reference angle is 23.57. so x2 is equal to 336.4. so x is equal to 203.6 and 336.4. Question number 23. The Venn diagram show information about the number of students in a class. Some study English and some study French, and some study Spanish, and some do not study any of these language. Find the number into E union F intersection means that the point of E and F is cancel. Union with S is this one. So sum of these number and also with this number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. Sum of these values we get 15. So the final answer is 15. One student is picked, part B. One student is picked at random from those who study Spanish. Find the probability that this student studies exactly two languages. We find the probability about the Spanish. So Spanish is, this one is Spanish student. Sum of these student, that is equal to 10. So Spanish student is 10. And exact two language, if he English and Spanish, this one is 2. And if he pick French and Spanish, that is equal to 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. We find the probability of two language. Is equal to total two language student divided with total Spanish student. Total Spanish student. So two language student, that is equal to, this one is two language student, that is equal to 5, and total Spanish student is 10. Calculate this one, we get 1/2. 5 1 is 5 and 5 2s are 10. So the final answer is 1/2. The last question of this paper. On the origin and OPQR is a parallelogram. M is the mid of PQ. M is the mid of PQ means that this line is O to R is equal to P to Q, means that this is a half 1/2 B, and this one is also 1/2 B. And N divide QR into the ratio. N to Q is 2 and N to R is 1. With ratio, sum of these ratio 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So divide with 3. That line is equal to A. So that is equal to 2A over 3. And this one is equal to 1A over 3, that is equal to A over 3. OP is equal to A and OR is equal to B. Find MN. So MN is equal to MN is equal to MQ minus Q N, this line. We find this line and MQ minus QN. So MQ is 1 by 2 B minus Qn is 2A over 3. This is our final answer. 1 over 2B minus 2A over 3. Part B. The line MN and OR are extended to meet at S. The line MN extended, this one is meet with point S, and OR extended and meet at point S. Find the position of S. Give your answer in the terms of A and or B and its simplest form. First of all, OS, O to S, OS, that is equal to OR, this line, OR plus this line, RS. OR is equal to B and RS we find. For RS we use ratio formula, this line, MQ divide RS, MQ divide with RS is, this is the ratio formula, RS divide with QN and NR, divide with QN divide with NR, divide with NR. Put these values. MQ, this one is MQ. MQ is equal to 1 by 2B and RS we have find these values is equal to QN. QN is equal to 2A over 3, that is equal to 2A over 3, 2A over 3 divided with NR. NR is A over 3. NR is A over 3 and this 3 cancel with this, remaining is, and this 2 multiply with RS, 1 multiply by B, B over 2 RS is equal to 2A over A, and this A cancel with this A, remaining is B over 2 RS is equal to 2. We find RS, RS shift in this side and 2 multiply with 2. B over 2 multiply 2 is equal to RS. So B over 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, that is equal to RS. So this RS put in this formula. So OS is equal to OR plus RS. OS is equal to OR. OR is equal to B plus RS B over 4. solve these values. 4 multiplied by b, 4b plus b by 4. So OS is equal to 5 over 4b. This is our final answer. The end of paper 2022. If you face any problem during this discussion, you drop me a beautiful message on my comment section box. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.